Students, so did you enjoy watching the video lecture? Yes, everyone enjoyed. So now all of you are ready for doing the exercise part from your ACE Grammar of Standard 4. That is on page number 16. Now everyone has understood the different rules which will apply for making the singular nouns into plural form. So let's start with the first exercise, that is write the plural forms of these words. So here the words are given in singular noun, you have to change into plural forms. First one is there, one thief. When there are two thieves, so what change is there? Which rule we have to follow here? F is there at the end of the word. So where F is there, what we have to do? Very good students. We have to cut F and write VES. So answer is two thieves. THIEVES, thieves. Second one house. If 5 are there, then very good students, 5 houses. HOUSES. Only simply S will apply over here. At the end E is there, that's why. One house, 5 houses. Third one glass. So here double S is there. So what you have to put? Yes. At the end it will come ES. So 3 glasses. GLASSES. One glass, 3 glasses. Next one goose. So if 10 are there, then here double O vowel is there. So it will change into, correct students, double E. 10 geese. GEESE. One goose, 10 geese. Next one diary. Here which rule we have to follow? Yes, Y is there. So Y कट हो जाएगा और उसकी जगह आ जाएगा IES. तो 4 diaries. One diary, 4 diaries. DIARIES, diaries. Next one dish. Here SH is there. So yes students, correct. ES we have to apply at the end. 6 dishes. One dish, 6 dishes. Seventh one X. So here E is there at the end, so simply we will apply S. So 1X, 3 X's. All the students are doing very nicely. Keep it up. One sheep. So here this noun in the plural form also no change is there. Sheep only will come. One sheep, 10 sheep. No S, nothing. One sheep, 10 sheep only. Now here in this one man. So if it is in plural form, what will come? Men. One man, 5 men. MEN. Last one child. If many are there, then yes, 4 children. One child, 4 children. CHILDREN. Completed students? Yes, good. So first part successfully we have completed. Now we can easily move on to the second exercise on the same page, page number 16. What is in the second exercise? Yes, it is rewrite these sentences by changing the underlined nouns from singular to plural. So wherever singular form is there, we have to change into plural form. Which word is underline? जिसमें underline हुआ है उसे हमें उस noun को change करना है. First one, keep the box. So box is a noun that will change. So what change will come? In the room. So keep the boxes. Here X is there. So ES we have to apply at the end. keep the boxes in the room. Second one, the child went to the party. Child, it is a noun in singular form. When we will change it into plural form, it will become, very good students, children. The children went to the party. The children went to the party. So, as you are knowing students, all this you have to write with the pencil in the textbook, and the changed word that you have to underline with the pencil only. Now, let us move on to page number 17. Here the third sentence is, we kept the vase on the shelf. So, vase and shelf, two nouns are there. So, two changes we have to make. We kept the vases, S we have to apply at the end, on the shelves. Here at the end F is there, so F will cut and we will write VES. We kept the vases on the shelves, and underline both the answer, vases as well as shelves. Fourth one, Meera played with her brother in the park. So, here one noun is there, brother. So, if Meera has more brothers, what will come? Brothers. Meera played with her brothers in the park. Simply S we have to apply at the end. Fifth one, Rajiv took the bag out of the car. So, here only underline word is bag, so that only change we have to do. Rajiv took the bags. Simply at the end we will apply S, so it will become in plural form. Rajiv took the bags out of the car, and underline the changed verb, not verb, noun. Sixth one, keep the knife and spoon away. So, here FE is there. So, what it will change? Excellent students, correct answer. It is VES, it will change. Keep the knives, 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 and the spoons, S will apply, away. Keep the knives and spoons away. Seventh one, the student, like you, saw a monkey outside the classroom. So, here only one monkey is there, that will not change, only who saw, student word is underlined, so that we have to change. If more are there, it will become students. The students saw a monkey outside the classroom. Eighth one, the shoe is too small for your foot. So, here only underlined word is foot. So, where double O is there, what change is coming? Arey wah, good students, it will change into double E. So, the answer is, the shoe is too small for your feet. The shoe is too small for your feet. Ninth one, the ox grazed in the pasture. So, here only one ox is there. So, if more are there, then what will change? Oxen. It will not become oxes, it will become oxen. The oxen grazed in the pasture. And wherever at the end of the sentence you have to apply full stop, and starting everywhere capital letter should be there. Now, the last sentence, the branch swayed in the wind. So, only one branch is there, it is in singular form. If it is in plural form, what change will come? HCH is there, so it will change into, yes, ES we have to apply. The branches swayed in the wind. The branches swayed in the wind. Clear students? Yes. So, all this exercise पेंसिल से अच्छे से आपको लिखना है, एंड जो भी सिंगुलर फॉर्म में है, वेयर चेंजेस वी आर मेकिंग, वहाँ आपको अंडरलाइन भी करनी है. Now we'll move on to the third exercise, that is complete the paragraph with the plurals of the words in the boxes. यहाँ पे जो भी nouns दिए गए हैं they are in singular form. तो हमें उसे when we are applying in this paragraph we have to change into plural form. First we'll see the boxes. Sandwich तो क्या हो जाएगा sandwiches. Cup cups. Story तो क्या हो जाएगा y कट करके ies stories. Foot will become feet f-e-e-t. Tomato लास्ट में o है तो क्या आ जाएगा es tomatoes. Toy यहाँ पे क्या रूल अप्लाई है yes toys क्योंकि आगे वोवेल है so only toys toys. Chair simply s will apply chairs. Box it will become boxes. Knife ve कट करके fe कट करके ves knives. और cucumber का simply s will apply cucumbers. Now let's start with the paragraph. It's 5 o'clock when the doorbell rang. Madhu opens the door and father comes home from office. He gives Madhu 2 boxes of crayons. Then they go to the kitchen together, where Madhu helps her father to prepare 2 dash of teas. क्या बनाते हैं cups. 2 cups of tea. Madhu then takes out some dash and dash. तो क्या निकाला ड्रॉर में से yes tomatoes and cucumbers. What this Madhu has taken out tomatoes and cucumbers and helps father make some क्या बना रहे हैं sandwiches. So sandwiches es we have to apply. The doorbell rings again. वापिस doorbell is ringing. Mother comes home from office. She has bought some dash for Madhu. क्या लेके आए मम्मी yes toys toys. She washes her dash तो feet क्या धोया feet. She washes her feet and helps Madhu and father to set up the plates. तो टेबल पे क्या लगाया plates, knives 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 and spoon. सारी चीज़ें टेबल पे अरेंज कर दी. मधु arranges the chairs by the table. तो खाने बैठना है तो they have arranged the chairs by the table. Then they all sit together and tell each other dash about their day. उन्होंने पूरे दिन क्या किया वो आपस में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं तो टेल द स्टोरीज अबाउट द डे. वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स, एक्सीलेंट परफॉर्मेंस. सबने बहुत अच्छे से आंसर दिया एंड नाइसली वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस थर्ड एक्सरसाइज ऑफ पेज नंबर 17. नाउ लेट्स मूव on to page number 18 with next exercise. So this is in you have to give the answer orally. आपको oral answer देने हैं. Change the words in the color to the plural form and say the sentence aloud. और साथ में जोर जोर से आपको रिपीट करना है मेरे पीछे. First one, we cut the loaf of bread with the knife. वेरी गुड. मेरे बोलने से पहले ही बच्चों के आंसर आ रहे हैं. एक्सीलेंट. यस. तो लोफ इट विल चेंज इनटू लोव्स. एफ विल चेंज इनटू ves and knife fe is there, it will change into knives. चलो बच्चों वापस रिपीट करते हैं साथ में. We cut the loaves of bread with the knives. Good. Second one, we made a soup with tomato and potato. So at the end o is there, so what will become tomatoes and potatoes. All the students are doing very nicely. साथ साथ में जोर से बोलना भी है. Come on students. We made a soup with tomatoes and potatoes. Third one. She has written the story in her diary. So story, Y is there, it will change into Y will cut and we'll write IS. Stories in her diaries. She has written the stories in her diaries. आप repeat करते जाइए, so it will be easy for you. Most of the students are doing the same. Very good. Fourth one. The bird was sitting on the branch. So, yes students, the birds. So, here we have to change were sitting on the branches. The birds were sitting on the branches. Fifth one, there was fungus on the wall. तो ज़्यादा होगा तो क्या it will become fungi. There was fungi on the wall. Sixth one, the deer roamed in the park. तो more deer are there then also no change. Deer, hare, उसमें कोई change नहीं होता. So it will come only deer. The deer roamed in the park. Seventh one, the fly sat on the flower. Very good students. मेरे बोलने से पहले ही answers are coming. The flies. Y will cut into IS. The flies sat on the flowers. Eighth one, the boat sailed on the river. The plural form it will come boats. The boats sailed on the rivers. Ninth one, the woman held the child by the hand. So it will become the woman held the children by the hand. The woman held the children by the hand. Excellent students. Keep on doing the same. ऐसे ही response देना है आपको. Last one. The girl played on the beach. So the girls played on the beaches. The girls played on the beaches. Now next exercise, E number. Here what we have to do? Change the words in the color to their singular form. इसमें भी आपको ओरल करना है. प्लूरल फॉर्म में उसको सिंगुलर फॉर्म में चेंज कर देना है. ईजी फॉर यू. द बॉयज वेंट टू द ड्राइंग क्लासेस. Yes, all are giving very good answer. So, the boy went to the drawing class. The boy went to the drawing class. The wolves attacked the goats. Yes, answer is right. The wolf attacked the goat. The wolf attacked the goat. Repeat. Yes, correct. Third one, they welcomed the heroes after the war. So, if only one is there, then they welcomed the hero after the war. They welcomed the hero after the war. Fourth one, there were some deer in the park. ये तो आपको पता ही है. Deer is there, so no change will come. There were some deer in the park. The cats chased the mice. Here irregular noun is there, तो पूरा word change हो जाएगा. The cat chased the mouse. The cat chased the mouse. Yes, students, बहुत अच्छे ऐसे ही रिस्पॉन्स देते रहिए. The bells rang in the churches. So, it will come, the bell rang in the church. The bell rang in the church. Seventh one, Mohit made apple pies and jam cakes. So, singular form it will, yes. करेक्ट आंसर ऐसे ही लिखना है आपको. मोहित मेड एप्पल पाई एंड जैम केक. एट्थ वन, हैव यू सीन द हैट्स ऑन डिस्प्ले. तो hats will become simply yes, hat. So easy. Have you seen the hat on the display? Ninth one. The geese swam in the ponds. तो सिंगुलर फॉर्म क्या होगा? Yes, goose. The goose swam in the pond. The goose swam in the pond. Last one. The nurses worked at the hospitals. If only one is there तो yes. बहुत अच्छे students. The answer will come. The nurse worked at the hospital. The nurse worked at the hospital. Very nice. All are giving very nice answer. Lesson आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है. Now we have come to the last exercise of this lesson. इसमें क्या करना है? Complete these sentences with suitable plural nouns. Plural nouns से हमको चेंज करना है. और here we can write anything. गार्डन में कोई भी चीज़ होती है तो anything we can write. ऐसा नहीं है कि which answer I have given that only will write. First one. Have you found your books? तो यहाँ पे आप बुक्स लिख सकते हैं, बैग लिख सकते हैं, पेंसिल, इरेजर, एनीथिंग ऑफ योर चॉइस. There are 3 dash in the park. तो यहाँ पे आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, swings, fountains, something like that. तो ऐसा पार्क में जो चीज़ अवेलेबल है वो कोई भी 3 चीज़ में से एक चीज़ आप प्लूरल फॉर्म में लिख सकते हो. There are 3 swings in the park. Now next, let's move on to number 3. So here it is. The dash are in their dash. तो यहाँ पे हम अपनी ही बात कर लेते हैं. The students are in their classes. सारे नाउन्स हमको प्लूरल फॉर्म में लिखना है. That's why it will come. The students are in their classes. Like this also we can write the workers are in their factories. That also is correct. Fourth one. At the shop I will buy some dash. तो आप शॉप पे किस शॉप पे गए हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इट विल चेंज हियर. तो आप कुछ भी खरीद सकते हो. मिठाई की दुकान पे है तो स्वीट्स होगा. स्टेशनरी की दुकान पे अगर आप गए हो तो पेंसिल, इरेजर, बुक एंड सो ऑन. और कपड़े की दुकान पे गए हो तो नेचुरली ड्रेस, यूनिफॉर्म, लाइक दैट इट विल कम. एट द शॉप आई विल बाय सम स्वीट्स. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द शॉप यहाँ पे आइटम चेंज हो सकती है. यू कैन चेंज. वेयर आर माई डैश एंड डैश. तो हियर वी कैन राइट शूज एंड सॉक्स, पेंसिल एंड इरेजर्स अकॉर्डिंगली. तो वेयर आर माई pencils and erasers. You can write shoes and socks, है ना, bag and uniform, like that we can do. Now the next one. The dash are playing with the dash. तो we are talking about children तो वही लिख लेते हैं. The children are playing with the balls. The children are playing with the balls. Seventh one. What a lot of dash she has. तो यहाँ पे आप कलेक्शंस लिख सकते हो. उसका कलेक्शन स्टैम्प्स का हो सकता है, कॉइन्स का हो सकता है. अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट what a lot of property she has. तो इट कैन चेंज. ऐसा ज़रूरत नहीं है कि आपको यही लिखना है. इट कैन चेंज. नाउन कैन चेंज बट इट शुड बी इन प्लूरल फॉर्म. डैश एंड डैश ग्रो ऑन ट्रीज. तो यहाँ पे आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. तो हियर I have written apples and mangoes grow on trees. Ninth one. Take these dash and put them on the table. तो यहाँ पे knives लिखा है मैंने. You can write books, you can write, or pencils you can write, crayons you can write. Take these knives and put them on the table. Then the last one. I have some dash in my bag. तो बैग में जो भी चीज़ हम रख सकते हैं, एनी नेम यू कैन राइट. crayons लिख सकते हैं. Then compass you can write, but compass is only one, so that we will not write. Which things are more in quantity, that we have to write. I have some books in my bag. Clear students? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि दिस सेम वर्ड्स यू हैव टू राइट, सेम नाउन्स. आप यहाँ पे चेंज भी कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस, मगर क्या ध्यान रखना है कि द नाउन शुड बी इन प्लूरल फॉर्म. सो आई थिंक ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स have successfully completed their exercise of lesson number 5, singular and plural nouns, in their textbook Ace Grammar, and everyone has understood the chapter very nicely. And the thing which you have to remember is that you have to write everything with pencil in the textbook, और जो भी लिखे तो सारे अल्फ़ाबेट्स क्लियर होने चाहिए. हैंड राइटिंग शुड बी नाइस एंड गुड. और अगर आपसे कोई मिस्टेक हो जाती है तो नो प्रॉब्लम, आपको इरेज करके अच्छे से यू हैव टू राइट इट अगेन. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? एंड फॉर ग्रामर ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस कीप ऑन practicing this grammar exercise in your rough notebook, so no mistake you will commit. And on the regular basis जो भी वीडियो लेक्चर आपको सेंड होते, that keep on watching, so that it will be easy for you to understand the topic. Thank you students.